Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your Ford Ecosport AC filter. First, you'll need to locate the cabin air filter, which is usually found in the passenger footwell area, often behind some panels near the center console. You'll need to carefully remove these panels and any securing screws to expose the filter housing. Once visible, gently slide the old filter out of its slot. Now that you have the filter out, it's time to clean it. Start by using a vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to remove any loose debris or larger particles. Next, gently tap the filter against a hard surface. This helps dislodge deeply trapped dirt. If there's still stubborn grime, use compressed air, always blowing from the clean side outwards to push the dirt through. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. On another note, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. Check the description below for the link to these containers and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before reinstallation, make sure your filter is completely dry to prevent mold growth. Pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow on the filter. It must point in the correct direction for proper function. Carefully slide the clean filter back into its housing. Finally, reattach all the panels and screws you removed, ensuring everything is secure and properly fitted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.